Runway just introduced a new feature. It's called image to video, where you just give in the image and it should come out with an animation and bring that image to life. This is great for things like consistent characters. Unfortunately, I do believe this is still in early innings, right? So sometimes you might not get the best results. To help out the community, what I decided to do is I have over 30 images and 30 examples here of what the animation or the output was. Hopefully, you guys can enjoy it and maybe learn something from it. If you do see something in specific, let the community know. Let me know in the comments below. What do you believe are some of the best images getting some of the outputs from these examples that I have? And we're going to take a closer look at a variety of example. We're going to have characters, we're going to have vehicles, we're going to have fairy tale, animation, realistic, North style. And I do believe when it comes to characters, a portrait style is best, and also having a minimal background, like you're gonna see in these examples. Some of them came out amazing, and I was completely shocked by how quickly we can get some amazing animation brought to life, or some of our images brought to life in the matter of seconds. All right, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and hopefully this helps out in saving some credits for some of you guys. If you haven't, make sure to hit the thumbs up. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm using it to kind of showcase how content creators can use generative AI to build some amazing content. So take care and see you guys next time.